I don't know what it is about the area that I live in, but there are so many wasps and hornets and whatever else the other ones are. But I use Spectracide wasp and hornet killer spray. This particular one is 20-ounce value size. It kills on contact. Now, this is a great part I like about this. I can shoot it from 27 feet away from where the wasps are. So I don't have to get close to them at all. This is non-staining, and it also eliminates the nest. This particular one is 20 ounces, which is 1 pound, 4 ounces, or 567 grams. Regular black top, spray nozzle, plastic. We're going to take you outside, and hopefully I'm able to give you a visual of how far it sprays and what the spray looks like. Okay, so I am outside about what I think is 20 feet back, and this is how it sprays. Looking at it a little closer, it's a little foamy. So just imagine what it'll look like foamed around the actual wasp nest.